सरकारान स्थिरता आसा. विरोधी पक्षाकडेन जेन्ना कांय मुद्दो नासता तेन्ना मंत्र्यांचे दुयेंस टार्गेट करप हो तांचे कडेन एकमेव उपाय जाल्लो. मात आतां सरकारान स्थिरता आसा. मुखेलमंत्र्याच्या मार्गदर्शनान सरकाराची कामां सुरळीतपणान चल्ल्यात म्हूण पंचायत मंत्री माविन गुदिनो उलयला. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पर्वरेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Stability of the government. We wanted to convey the stability of the government and to show that it is a performing government. It is a government which truly functions for the people. Now, in this respect, everything that we are committing, all of us together, is also on behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister. Somehow, as you know, in politics, especially from the opposition and other quarters, when there is no other issue, unfortunately the sickness of our tallest leader is being projected as making the government non-functional, which is not the case. We are a very functional government, we are a very stable government, we are a performing government. We have assessed in each department that we hold while welcoming the two new members of the cabinet, Shri Milind Naik and Shri Nilesh Kabral. We have assessed our own work. And we have seen that the synergies are connected well, even interdepartmentally, to get more work going on the ground. The ground situation develops in such a way that whatever works that we are undertaken by the government, they are moving at a much faster pace than it used to happen. And also, as regards our budget utilization, naturally, when a budget speech is given, there are certain commitments which are made. In tune with those commitments, we want to utilize the funds, we want to see that works are carried out and all-round development of Goa takes place. And Honorable Chief Minister has been monitoring this. Honorable Chief Minister has been guiding us in spite of his sickness. So there is no question of any drawback because of his sickness. And that is what we want to convey to the people of Goa. We all are united, our allies are giving us unstinted, strong support, which is a matter of great strength in this hour when our tallest leader is not too well. Also, we want to convey that I had met him some time ago when I was in Delhi. There are others also who have met Honorable Chief Minister. He will recover and we wish that we pray for his stronger health so that he is able to come back even earlier and guide us even further.